welcome back to Wireless 101. Today I want to discuss Dropbox with you. Dropbox is a new application that's available for your mobile devices that allows you to sync wirelessly. Okay, what I mean is, who's seen the USB flash drives, which allow you to put up to, I guess, 32 gigs, 16 gigs. They have a whole lot of different sizes. And so you got to tote around and be able to put into some type of computer to be able to pull up your files. But that's a thing of the past now with Dropbox. Okay, what Dropbox will allow you to do is take a Word file, PDF, whatever kind of document you have, and synchronize it amongst your computers, all of your computers, and your cell phone. Okay, what I mean is this. You go onto your desktop, go onto the internet, and you go to Dropbox.com. It allows you to set up a username and password. It also lets you watch a video to see how it actually works, all right, which is really a cool thing that they did for demonstrations. Once you download the Dropbox application to your computer, it actually sets up a Dropbox icon right there on your computer screen. Okay, with that Dropbox icon, you could just take files and dump them in there. If you click on the Dropbox icon, this is what comes up. Okay, I'm gonna click there, and these are all of the folders that are inside of my Dropbox. All right. Now, if you click on, or if you pull up the Dropbox from your cell phone, this exact same folder is going to come up with all of that exact same information. All right. Now, if I click on Wireless 101, that's everything I have in there already. Now, the little green check mark lets you know that it's already synced and ready to go. All right. So when you pull it up on your cell phone, everything will be there. All right. Now, what I'm going to do now is just a real quick demonstration of how exactly it works. What I've done is I've set up a document on the Windows Word application. All right. Now, what I've done is just put Dropbox test file, just a test file, for you to see how it works. So I'm just going to save this file. All right. Dropbox test file. Perfect. All right. So I'll save that file. So now I'm going to minimize that, and I'm going to go into my documents. All right. Now you see the Dropbox test file, which has just now been saved. So what I'm going to do with that is grab it, or right-click on it, copy it, because I still want to save it on my desktop. And I'm going to go to my Dropbox files, and I'm going to put it in public. Now, you can put it anywhere here on the Dropbox file, but I'm going to put it in public. When I put it in public, it's accessible by anybody else that I want to access it anywhere around the globe. All right? So I'm just going to paste it in there. And if you notice here, it doesn't have a green check mark there. It actually has a little box or a little circle that looks like it's doing something. All right, that means that it's still synchronizing. So it might take a second to synchronize. And once it's done, you'll see the little green check mark that's next to the other one over there. All right, so I'm going to wait a minute and let it sync, and then we'll be back for round two. Okay, folks, we're back for round two on Dropbox. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go onto my phone here. Slide and unlock. All right. Now you see the Dropbox application down there in the center. All right. So I'm just going to push on that Dropbox here. And we've already tried to sync the test file. All right. So what I'm going to do is go into the public folder, which is where we went. And I'm looking on my computer now, and it's turned green with the check mark there and the little circle. So now all I have to do is click on my public folder. And there you see it. Dropbox test file, which has been synced 3 minutes ago. And it's 23.50 kilobytes, okay? So what I want to do is click on that, and let's see what it pulls up. Takes a little quick second to modify the file. And there you have it. Just what we saw on the desktop, right here on the Dropbox. Folks, I think that's one of the coolest applications out. There's other applications out there, Mobile Me and stuff like that. This one is free, ready to go, and if you don't do too much, then you can really knock this out in a jiffy. Real simple to use, a lot of fun. Thanks for joining us, guys. Have a good one, Wireless 101.